In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate GeForce Now. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting, this guide will help you set up and enjoy your favorite games through NVIDIA's powerful streaming service. Let's dive in. And by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start your gaming adventure on GeForce Now. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the GeForce Now website. This is the central hub where you'll access all the features and options that GeForce Now has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the option to either create an NVIDIA account or sign in if you already have one. If you're new to NVIDIA, click on the option to create an account. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information such as your email address and a secure password. Be sure to choose a password that you can remember but is also difficult for others to guess. If you already have an NVIDIA account, simply click the Sign In button and enter your credentials to proceed. With your account set up or signed in, the next step is to choose a GeForce Now membership plan that suits your needs. GeForce Now offers different levels of membership, including free and paid options. The free plan allows you to experience the service with some limitations, while the paid plans offer benefits like extended session lengths and priority access to gaming servers. Carefully consider each option and select the one that best aligns with your gaming habits and preferences. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Depending on your selection, you may need to enter payment information, so have that handy if necessary. Now that your account is set up and your membership plan is active, it's time to connect your game store accounts. GeForce Now supports a variety of platforms like Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, and Ubisoft. To get the most out of the service, you'll want to link any of these accounts that you use. This will allow you to access your existing game library and play those games seamlessly through GeForce Now. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to connect each of your game store accounts. With everything connected, you're ready to search for a supported game that you want to play. Use the search function on the GeForce Now platform to find the games in your library. Once you've found a game, click on it to launch. GeForce Now will handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to enjoy smooth and responsive gameplay even if your hardware isn't the most powerful. Congratulations! You have now successfully activated GeForce Now and are ready to enjoy a wide range of games across different platforms. Remember, the key to a smooth gaming experience is a stable internet connection, so make sure your network is up to the task. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gaming!